What's up, you guys? It's your boy Lowe's in the building. Today I got a special video for y'all. I know I've been gone for a little while, but hey, you know, people got tough situations sometimes, but I shouldn't have stopped dropping videos and then for you guys, and I should have, continued giving you guys content even though I was on a bad situation. But hey, sometimes you gotta overcome those situations and keep on grinding. So, but yeah, today I got something that everybody needs when it comes to lowering your car. This is something that you need like big time. So a lot of you guys know that when you lower your car, your rear wheels get cambered out. And so to fix that, you need this thing right here. What is this? Camber arms. So yeah, whenever you lower your car, you get camber out, and then sometimes you don't want that because it throws off your wheel alignment. Your tires start going sad like this right here. You can see the actual life of it. It's insanely poor when it comes to the cambered side. Like this right here is just super flat. It has no type of life on it. And so yeah, whenever you drop a car, whenever you get either full suspension coilovers, whenever you get lowering springs or coilover sleeves, make sure you get camber arms as well. And so that way it balances it off and you don't do the same mistake I did. Of course, I didn't have the actual opportunity to get the camber arms when I did bought the coilovers, but now I do. So hopefully I can fix that today. I don't think it's too bad of a process, but it's kind of confusing. I never done this before. This is my first time, so hopefully I do this right. So yeah, man, I've been doing some research, and apparently you don't need to use this bracket, so you can take it off if you want, or just keep it on if you want. It doesn't matter. If you want to go a little bit lighter, it's up to you guys. I don't think it's actually heavy, since the cambers are only 10 pounds, both of them. So I don't think you should even take it off. Honestly, you're just wasting your time if you want to take it off. Or if it's just bothering you or something, just take it off. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. You guys' preference. But yeah. So apparently you gotta take this right here. This is a 14 mil bolt, and then if you come down here, you got this guy right here, and then you also got that guy over there. I do believe it's 14s as well, and this is pretty much the same thing on the other side as well. But when it comes to the passenger side is a little bit harder because you got the exhaust on the way, and I've been seeing a lot of complaints about having the exhaust in the way because it actually takes longer to take out the bolts. But that's pretty much all the complaints I get. I am going to change the suspension because me personally, I don't like it at all. It's too hard, and I'm pretty much maxed out on the rear, and it sits super low still, and I don't like it. Like when I'm in Memphis in Tennessee, and you got a lot of potholes, and I'm not really liking how this dampens. Yeah, so I can't show you guys the process of the camber arms, like how I work on those, because I don't have anything I don't have a tripod for me to set the phone or whatever, because I am recording on a phone and it's kind of difficult. Then I don't have anybody else to record me while doing the process, so you guys please bear with me. Once I start doing this, I'll update you guys with whatever. But yeah, let me get straight to working. Okay, so you guys, here go my 12. Yes, I'm using a breaker bar. It's a lot easier for you to break this loose. If you want to loosen it up with a breaker bar, and then you can take your 3/8 or whatever, and then hit it. Then once you're almost done taking the bolt out, it's gonna get to a point where you're gonna have to either get an open wrench and pry it close to here, to this end, and then pretty much just push it out while you're, well, I don't think you need the ratchet at this point. You can just take it out, just pull it out. But I mean, well, you use the ratchet, like once you twist it, also pull out at the same time, and you can kind of see how it goes out. That's one of the easiest ways. You don't really need an open wrench or screwdriver or anything to get it out. And then once you're almost out, it should be able to come out, but it's being a little gay and it doesn't. There you go. Just take it out. Just watch out that you don't actually hit yourself, because I just did. It didn't hurt though, but just be careful. So then I still gotta get these back there. I don't think they're 14s, they might be 15s. So I think previously say that it was 15, but I don't think it's 15. I mean, my apologies, 14. It should be a 15, but we'll see. Please, you guys, bear with me because I am trying to record this using one hand while I work with the other, and it's not the greatest, but I am trying to make it happen. So hold on, I can't. It is a 14. I just wasn't putting it right. After a little fighting, after a little thinking, after a little doing too much, this is what you guys need. You need this baby right here, a torque wrench, torque bar, whatever. You need a 14 mil. You need your 3-inch ratchet and a 3/8 socket. On this side you only need, like I said, the 3/8 ratchet. Pretty much sit it there, and then the way it was sitting, it was just pretty much hanging. But once it's hanging, like once you got the bolt, imagine the bolt is right here, right? And then I'm trying to put force to it so then I can loosen the bolt, right? So pretty much you just leave it there and get your torque bar, and then pretty much just push the ratchet, and you don't even have to put too much force onto it. And then that's how you get the boost. And then once it's loosened up, pretty much just take it out. So I'm gonna take these out all the way, and then I'll come back and update you guys after I'm done. After a long ass time, I thought the control lines, taking them out was worse. The bolts were. Well, in my occasion, they were. I didn't put no W40 or penetrant on them, but them bolts were a pain in the ass. But yeah, let's just continue with the video. So once you get all the control on, camber arms out, or just the side that you are doing still, make sure that it's the same length as the OEM one, and then you can adjust from that. So if you want to get more camber or that, just adjust it after you got it on, if you get what I'm saying. So pretty much you just gotta level them. These are not leveled, so I am gonna start leveling these. Well, this one to the OEM one, it's almost there, but it still has like a little gap, or it's still short, whatever term you want to use. So after you get that done, pretty much you gotta untwist. I don't know if I'm doing this right. And then after it's the same length, you put the nut back together to the other side. I think that's what it was. And then to make sure that they're the same length, put a screwdriver and it should fit right in. Like without any issues. Pretty much like you put a screwdriver, and then you gotta make sure it fits, like hitting this side of the wall, the left side of the little wall right here, right here. Like once it's touching this side, it should touch the same as the other one, and it isn't, even though I don't have a extra long screwdriver. I should be. I think I lost it, but this should work. So pretty much use something that you can fit through with no issue. So I'm gonna use that. Should fit the same, but you can see these are uneven, as this side, this one is a little bit shorter than this one. it should be kind of like leveled. So once you get it leveled, then you can put it on. So I had finished the right side and I've just finished the left side. Now the next thing I'm gonna have to do is put the wheel back on it and start adjusting if I do gotta adjust to relieve the camber. Hopefully it doesn't have much, but let's see how it go, because I do not wish to run camber on this side. It was a little camber, but it wasn't eating my tire, which is the good thing. I'm actually glad for that. It does got bumps though, and I am going to replace these tires because it's like super shaky in the cabin, and I don't want to do that. I mean, like, I don't want to run as shaky as it's kind of gay. But I'll update you guys whenever I finish doing this. So yeah. Alright, so you guys, I am pretty much done. I did both of the sides. Then I started messing with the coilovers, trying to raise it up a little bit. And I kind of cut my finger. It's not, I mean, I don't know if it's bad. I just know it's deep. It's a little deep. Yes, my hands are greasy too, but yeah, I think this is gonna be the end of today's video. I haven't been able to adjust the camber arms. I think that's gonna be another separate video because I am running late for some other stuff, and so yeah, you guys stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.